Welcome to my channel Travel Lovers, your portal to exhilarating adventures across the globe. Watch breathtaking travel experiences and subscribe today and become a member of our travel-loving community. Today's video is about Glasgow is the most populous city in Scotland, located on the banks of the River Clyde in west-central Scotland. The city is the third most populous city in the United Kingdom and the 27th most populous city in Europe. In 2022, it had an estimated population as a defined locality of 632,350 and anchored an urban settlement of 1,028,220. Glasgow grew from a small rural settlement close to Glasgow Cathedral and descending to the River Clyde to become the largest seaport in Scotland, and 10th largest by tonnage in Britain. Expanding from the medieval bishopric and episcopal burgh, subsequently royal burgh, and the later establishment of the University of Glasgow in the 15th century, it became a major centre of the Scottish Enlightenment in the 18th century. From the 18th century onwards, the city also grew as one of Britain's main hubs of oceanic trade with North America and the West Indies, soon followed by the Orient, India, and China. With the onset of the Industrial Revolution, the population and economy of Glasgow and the surrounding region expanded rapidly to become one of the world's preeminent centres of chemicals, textiles and engineering, most notably in the shipbuilding and marine engineering industry, which produced many innovative and famous vessels. Glasgow was the second city of the British Empire for much of the Victorian and Edwardian eras. Glasgow became a county in 1893, the city having previously been in the historic county of Lanarkshire, and later growing to also include settlements that were once part of Renfrewshire and Dunbartonshire. It now forms the Glasgow City Council area, one of the 32 council areas of Scotland, and is administered by Glasgow City Council. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, Glasgow's population grew rapidly, reaching a peak of 1,127,825 people in 1938, with a higher density and within a smaller territory than in subsequent decades. The population was greatly reduced following comprehensive urban renewal projects in the 1960s, which resulted in large-scale relocation of people to designated new towns, such as Cumbernauld, Livingston, East Kilbride and peripheral suburbs, followed by successive boundary changes. Over 1 million people live in the Greater Glasgow contiguous urban area, while the wider Glasgow City region is home to over 1,800,000 people, equating to around 33% of Scotland's population. The city has one of the highest densities of any locality in Scotland at 4,023/km2. Glasgow's major cultural institutions enjoy international reputations including the Royal Conservatoire of Scotland, Burrell Collection, Kelvingrove Art Gallery and Museum, Royal Scottish National Orchestra, BBC Scottish Symphony Orchestra, Scottish Ballet, and Scottish Opera. The city was the European Capital of Culture in 1990, and is notable for its architecture, culture, media, music scene, sports clubs, and transport connections. It is the fifth most visited city in the United Kingdom. The city is also well known in the sporting world for football, particularly for the Old Firm rivalry. Glasgow famous for architecture, the world-friendliest city, whiskey, historic second city of the British Empire, shipbuilding, the oldest football team, the city of famous surgeons, first national city in the UK etc. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe, like, comments, and share.